Each year, winds carry about 182 million tons of dust from the Sahara Desert to the Amazon rainforest. This process is not only fascinating, but also crucial for the ecosystem of the rainforest. The dust contains phosphorus, a vital nutrient that enriches the soil in the Amazon. Without this transfer, the rainforest soil, which is frequently leached by heavy rains, would be far less fertile. This phenomenon illustrates the interconnectedness of ecosystems across continents, creating a natural cycle of resource exchange that has been ongoing for thousands of years. Elephants are among the heaviest land animals on Earth, with adult males weighing up to 7 tons. Their massive weight and body structure make jumping physically impossible. Their legs are structured vertically to support this great mass, meaning they lack the spring-like flexibility needed for jumping. In fact, elephants are the only land mammals that cannot lift all 4 feet off the ground simultaneously, not even while running. However, they make up for this with incredible strength and agility in other ways, such as their dexterous trunks. On average, humans sleep around 8 hours a day, which accounts for 1/3 of their lives. Assuming a lifespan of around 75 years, an average person spends approximately 25 years asleep. Sleep is crucial for body and brain regeneration. During sleep, the body undergoes repair processes, and the brain consolidates memories and strengthens the immune system. Studies show that people who maintain a healthy sleep routine experience better physical and mental health and tend to live longer. Cotton was cultivated by ancient civilizations as far back as 5000 BC. Evidence of cotton farming has been found in the Indus River Valley, in modern-day India and Pakistan, as well as in regions of Egypt. Ancient cotton fabrics were used not only for clothing, but also as trade goods and symbols of social status. Cotton has played a key role in global economies for centuries, contributing to the Industrial Revolution. Today, it remains one of the most widely used textile materials, though its cultivation requires significant amounts of water. Despite the popular depiction of raindrops as teardrops, in reality, they are shaped more like flattened spheres or tiny hamburgers. This shape results from the forces acting on a drop of water as it falls through the atmosphere. The surface tension keeps the droplet rounded, while air pressure flattens its bottom. Small raindrops are almost perfectly spherical, but as they grow larger, they become more flattened before eventually breaking apart. Hawaii, known for its tropical climate, has an extraordinary phenomenon: ice caves on the summit of Mauna Kea, a volcano that stands 4,205 meters above sea level. Despite the warm temperatures at sea level, the summit of the mountain is often covered in snow and ice, with temperatures dropping below freezing. Ice caves form here through the interaction of volcanic gases with frozen water, creating unique ice formations. Mauna Kea is a place where volcanic and climatic phenomena meet, offering rare sights for a tropical island. Although giant pandas eat almost exclusively bamboo, their teeth and digestive system resemble those of carnivores. Pandas have strong jaws and sharp teeth that could be used for eating meat, but their diet consists almost entirely of bamboo. Because bamboo is low in nutrients and difficult to digest, pandas must eat large amounts, up to 38 kilograms per day, to meet their energy needs. Evolutionarily, pandas have developed a 6th finger, a bone extension that functions like a thumb, helping them grasp and manipulate bamboo stalks. Insects dominate the animal kingdom. Over 1 million species of insects have been identified, but scientists estimate that there may be several million in total. Insects make up about 80% of all known animal species. For every human being on Earth, there are approximately 200 million insects. Insects play crucial roles in ecosystems, serving as pollinators and forming a vital part of the food chain. The most widespread groups include beetles, butterflies, ants, and bees, and they can be found in nearly every corner of the globe. The giant squid, which inhabits the deep ocean, has eyes that can reach up to 30 centimeters in diameter, larger than a basketball. These enormous eyes are adapted to detect even the faintest light in the dark, deep waters where the squid lives. At depths where sunlight doesn't penetrate, even weak bioluminescent light produced by other creatures can be detected by the squid's eyes. These large eyes also help the squid avoid predators, such as sperm whales, which hunt them. The ribbon worm, known as Lineus longissimus, is a marine invertebrate that can grow to over 55 meters in length, making it the longest known animal on Earth. It is even longer than whales. Ribbon worms are mostly found in coastal waters of Europe, and their bodies are thin and highly elastic, allowing them to reach such extreme lengths. Despite their incredible size, they live a relatively humble life, feeding on plankton and small marine organisms along the ocean floor. Hummingbirds have a unique wing structure that allows them to move in any direction. They can fly forward, backward, and even hover in place. Their wings rotate in a full 180-degree range, enabling precise maneuverability. The ability to fly backward is particularly useful when hummingbirds are feeding on nectar from flowers, allowing them to retreat without losing stability. Hummingbirds are also incredibly fast, reaching speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, making them some of the most agile birds in the world. Although it might seem like penguins don't have knees, their legs are actually bent, and their knees are hidden beneath layers of feathers. Because of their short legs and low-set knees, penguins walk in their characteristic waddling manner. However, this leg structure helps them balance on icy terrain. Penguins' anatomy is perfectly adapted for swimming. In water, they use their flippers as wings, moving with remarkable agility. Mars, now a dry and barren planet, may have looked very different millions of years ago. Geological evidence suggests that Mars once had oceans, rivers, and lakes. Scientists believe Mars had a thicker atmosphere that allowed liquid water to exist on its surface, and the climate was likely much milder. It was only after Mars lost much of its atmosphere and the water disappeared that the planet took on its characteristic red color due to the iron oxide, rust, that covers its surface. Elephants have an exceptionally developed sense of smell, about 5 times more powerful than that of humans. This keen sense allows them to detect water sources from great distances, a vital skill in the dry regions of Africa and Asia. Elephants can also use environmental clues, such as dry riverbeds or the behavior of other animals, to locate water. During droughts, elephants play a crucial role in ecosystems, often digging wells in dry riverbeds, providing water for other animals as well. Mars, although now considered geologically inactive, was once home to enormous volcanoes. The most impressive is Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the solar system. Standing at about 22 kilometers high, it is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, the tallest peak on Earth. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano, meaning its eruptions were relatively slow, with lava spreading over vast distances and creating its wide, flat profile. The discovery of such giant volcanic structures outside Earth broadens our understanding of geological processes in the universe.